Hey, Johnny with Field Van, and today I'm going to show you a very specialized vehicle that we built for the Sheriff's Department. This multi-purpose van is ready for a parole hearing. It can roll up to a fire scene, any type of crime scene. And when it comes in, you can see it's ready for action. Let's take a tour of the inside. This van is also a four-wheel drive, so it's ready for any condition. It is based on a Mercedes Sprinter 170 chassis, and it's got all the features. You got your 4x4, we've got our big 10-inch screen, all the goodies from Mercedes, all the safety equipment, and then we move into the law enforcement stuff. So they've got their keyboard, their mount for the screen, computer. Down here we have our control panel, switches for all the lights and sirens and all that good stuff. And then right behind it is extra comms, and this can slide up and back on this track system. Let me show you the rest of it here in the back. First off, right behind the driver's seat, we have a locking mount for the laptop, and that is used right here on the desk. We have L-track, extra mounting points. They can have a office chair in here for the officer to be able to move around. Where this works as a parolee hearing van is a parolee can be here, officer can be here, and they can zoom right into the judge. So they can do mobile hearings. So they have the desk here, the officer can be working. You'll notice all the speakers down there that connect to all the different comm units. We also have 2 more comm units up here. Tons of storage, extra power, big screen there, and then it's got drawers for the desk, so plenty of storage as it's used for a mobile office. And then it might get hot. If you're on the scene of a fire, we're definitely gonna want some air conditioning. We got that here with our fridge here for plenty of water, so this thing's ready to go. Behind our desk here, we have a full bathroom. So this, of course, can be used for using the restroom as well as gathering samples if they need to. Over on this side, we have a little countertop, the sink for getting cleaned up, and then below here, we have an evidence locker. So if they do find some evidence on scene, they can get it secured and locked away right here. And then we have a refrigerator. You always have to have beverages and especially water if you're on scene at a fire. And if you need a bite to eat, we also have a microwave here, so you can pull something out of the refrigerator, heat it up right here, whatever you might need. Moving back in the van, we have 2 full wardrobes here, so drawers below, and then up here we have hanging closet. You'll notice the latches are locking. This can store uniforms, hang bulletproof vests, whatever these officers might need when they're deployed. And then moving back, for the real heavy equipment, we have 2 full safes, and you might know what goes in there. Behind our big safes, we have enough room for a whole nother work area, workstation. Right here you have a counter, so you can use it as kind of a workbench. And then under this counter, it all opens up and it's wired in for charging for walkie-talkies, flashlights, whatever type of equipment they might need down here. Tons of power to charge everything up. And you can never have too much storage, so we even put pockets back here. We have extra lights. We have our L-track, so this can be used to clip up bags, hang stuff, maybe extra backpacks, extra gear. So tons of storage in this thing. Maybe you have night deployment. So we've got these things on a switch so they can go from red to white lights, of course, or off. So this thing's ready to go. I hope you like the tour of our command center here. You know, at Field Van, we're best known for building camper vans, but we also do work for mobile offices, municipalities, or an amazing purpose-built command center parole van like you see behind us here. If you want information on anything we do, visit us at fieldvan.com. You can check out our YouTube channel, our socials. Come by the factory, have a visit. Hope to see you here.